Sorry about that, but we're back, and as I was saying, we're getting ready to do our lips. So here we go. We've got all our makeup on except for the mascara, which I like to do last, and we're going to do our lips now. Our huge, ginormous lips. All right, so we want to start off here with a great lip stain. So let me get my lip stains. All right. I'm going to start today with CoverGirl's Outlast Lip Stain in Iconic Darling. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to read that, but maybe it'll put it in a focus. I don't think it's doing it. Okay, anyway, this is Iconic Darling. I'm going to move this mirror in. And we just kind of want to, I like to do that so that I can keep, you know, each side more even. So I put a little line down the middle. And I like to take this and just kind of go like that. Same thing over here. Then immediately I want you to start blending that line. Okay? And you're going to overline as well. But do the bottom like so, and just kind of, yeah, there we go. Kind of get it all messy. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is apply, and you can use any contour stick. I'm going to use this Glow Crayon by Ellen Tracy. Let's see if it has, and it just says contour on it. This is a Glow Crayon by Ellen Tracy that I got at Marshall's. But you can, like I said, you can even use the, we can go back and use the contour by She Glam, which I think I'm going to, actually I think I'm going to try that. Just kind of go, yeah. And you really, you want to exaggerate. You want to get above that upper lip line. You know, it's like you're shading right now. You know? That's not quite dark enough. I think that this one's actually darker. Yeah. And just get that. Get that all up there. Shade that all up there. And same thing with the bottom lip. Just you know, shade, and more shade. And you can see already, you know, that the size of my lips has grown quite a bit. Okay, so I'm using that. But you do, the stick does need to be a little bit darker than your own lip, okay? But not so dark that it doesn't look like a shadow or a contour, okay? But it's very easy. You just line the top of your lips with this, and the bottom, make sure it's above the lip line. Then when you're done, you can take this CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain in Iconic Darling, and we can kind of make a little bit of a definition with this, okay? Just, yeah, just like a darkening. And I have to wipe it off a little bit because I got Could you guys see that? Do you see where I was putting this? I'm putting it in between this is the furthest part from my lip. I'm putting it in between very, lightly, like so. You see that? Same thing with the top. Okay. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna take, we got, this is so fun. I got all these lippies from Morphe. It's their new, oh goodness. Okay, it's their new Lip Lock glossy lipstick, and it stays put all day. And that's one of the reasons why you're using lip stain with this look, so that it will last and last and last. It won't, like, as soon as you eat something, your big lips are going to be gone and you're going to have your little tiny lips. No, no. These give you a gloss and they stay put for hours. They really do. They last for hours. So we got the Cot Rose, we got the Hitched Honey, we've got the Berry Bolted color here, and the other one was the red one, the heart riveting. And this is what the box looks like. Hopefully it'll focus on that. Is it doing it? But yeah, so it's like a long-lasting, glossy, non-transferable lip product. And today, well, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the NYX Fat Matte, and this is a NYX Fat Matte, and I'm putting it in Cozy Whipped. That's color 01. Oh, do I have it upside down? Yeah. This is Cozy Whipped. I'm going to use Cozy Whip first. Just press it on the bottom. Not my, like, pressing it on the bottom is not my favorite, application thing, but hey. And it's supposed to really smooth your lips so they don't look all old and wrinkly. Okay. All right. Okay. Put this down. Put this down. All right. I'm just like making sure that I put my lip stains going top side down so that they keep working. So I get as much ink out of them as I can. Okay, so now I'm going to add the glossy Hitched Honey to this. I don't know about you, but I think this looks a lot bigger. let me know. Let me know in the comments. Okay. Here, you know what? I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that Iconic Darling. Okay, there we go. And this is the Page Vine brand from Shein. You know, I've been saying that these are from Temu, like for the longest time, that I got them at Temu, and I didn't. I made a mistake. I got them at Shein. So no wonder they didn't have them at Temu when I went to go buy them again. But they're just excellent. And it's a Page Vine lip stain. They call it actually lip contour stain. Okay, that has got to be it. I think from what I can tell, it looks good, but it's hard to tell on that tiny little screen. Just go ahead and make sure you don't get any lipstick on your teeth. I'm gonna add the Hitched Honey now. Ah, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty, you guys. Okay. So, we'll go ahead and, okay, let me just kind of show you. And this is what our makeup is. I've seen a couple of influencers do this. I think it's kind of cute. Anyway, do that so you don't get lipstick on your teeth. All right, and we're gonna go with the mascara here. Okay, I've been using Tarte's Tartelette XL in black, just because I'm tired of, you know, going over with the cleansing balm and trying to clean the waterproof. I'm kind of in more of a hurry these days. So we're just gonna apply this nice, gorgeous tubing mascara by Tarte. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now we don't have to worry about getting Botox in our, I mean not Botox, but lip fillers. And just kind of go out into the world with our nice, juicy, plumped up lips and slay. I don't know if I like that word, but it seemed appropriate for this occasion. Okay. And we are done, people. Oh, setting spray is so important. You know, I really want this to stay put. So I'm gonna put some Urban Decay All-Nighter on here. Okay, let's back up a little bit. Fan. Okay. And people, we are all set. I can brush my hair for you if you would like, and then we get this mirror out of the way. And then we can conclude. So let's kind of just... All right, there you go. Okay, enough of the silliness. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. And please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.